Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to make this juicy and delicious baked lemon butter chicken recipe. It's a quick and easy recipe, so if you guys are interested to see more of how I make this recipe, keep on watching. So to get this recipe started, we're going to go in with 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Next, we're going to add our red fresh onions to the pot. We're going to saute for about 30 seconds. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. If you have fresh garlic, that will do as well. Give it a very nice mix. Now we're going to add our fresh parsley to the pot. Now we're going to go in with our lemon juice. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Next, I'm going to add my heavy cream. Mix very well to combine those ingredients. Now I'm going to go in with my homemade fresh garlic herb seasoning. Next, I'm going to add a splash of my red pepper flakes. To add lots of flavor, we're going to go in with our fresh Parmesan cheese. Now we are going to let the sauce simmer down. We're going to get our chicken ready. To continue with this recipe, I have these beautiful chicken thighs and chicken legs. We're going to go ahead and season these beautiful pieces of chicken. Add about a teaspoon of sea salt. Next, we're going to mix that around. Next, we're going to go in with our all-purpose seasoning to add lots of flavor to these beautiful chicken. Next, we're going to add our paprika seasoning to add lots of flavor. Mix very well. Now is the best time to preheat our oven to 375 degrees. In the meantime, we're going to place our chicken on our baking tray just like that. Once the sauce is nice and cool, we are going to pour the sauce onto the chicken. Make sure the chicken pieces are fully coated into the sauce. Next, we're going to set these beautiful chicken pieces to bake for 1 hour and 45 minutes. After baking for 1 hour and 45 minutes, this is what the chicken looks like. It was nice and juicy. The flavor was so beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy watching this quick and easy video. If you do, please give this video a like. And I hope to see you beautiful people in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care. Bye.